and beloved spaces, so we were thrilled when she added the Late Late Show studio to her gig list, which includes the Spirit Store. She had a smashing gig in Whelan's last weekend and Lost Lane coming up. So would you put your hands together for the wonderful Wallis, ladies and gentlemen.
Strangers are hugging whoever next we meet. Oh, life, I love it to my bones, yeah. Wedding everything shut for listeners. Take them home and cook them dinners. I say, oh, life, I love it to my bones, yeah. Dominoes medicine to you, but you see the let it go. So simple, and you're laughing till your face is sore. All life I love it to my bones. Dominoes medicine to you, but do you take a seat and let it go? The world is love. Elephants in memory, now a better chemistry. All of these things I made me your soul. There's no such thing as a war, and my portion is my home, and all I know I got lost for everything I've done, and no TV, I've got the choice, and this cause, and tons of life, I got my sights, and touch gold, there's no such thing as to hold on. My fortune is my home, and all I know, my home, yeah. These four walls, yeah. Oh, life, I love it to my bones. Oh, life, I love it to my bones. Oh, life, I love it to my bones. Oh, life, I love you to my bones. Oh, life, I love you to my bones.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a great song. Great performer. Wallis is in the middle of that. You know that is like a post-pandemic anthem, isn't it? It's a great tune and beautifully performed. Wallis in the middle of an Irish tour, and tomorrow night you can see her in Sean O's in Derrybeg, and then on September 25th and 6th, good on you, she's meeting at Meet Me at the Castle in Clare, Galway. More information on wallisbird.com. All right. If the young person in your life spends